Hi traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Today we're looking at the US30 and the German 30. As stocks at this stage continue to post mini fightbacks after last night's selling, which is reinforcing some patterns that we could be seeing new higher low continuations setting up after some trend breaks. So we'll just go over these two charts. We do still have resistance in play from 24,796 on the US30, but we can see here that we have a trend break, and today we do have some buying at the moment, and we're seeing a new low coming in from 24,140. And while this low remains in play and buying continues, would be looking for a possibility of further buying to continue. If we do see market stall and then close lower or break that low, yesterday's low at 24,182, 24,183, which in tonight's session, then that does change the picture. But right now, the current picture sort of suggests that buyers are starting to regroup after yesterday's losses. So the main points we want to just keep an eye on is that trend break here continues to hold, and that yesterday's low remains in play and holds, and we still see buying continue. So there is this small resistance level that we would like to see broken if the rally does continue higher, and that's at the 24,568 point. So just jumping across to the German 30, it's a similar story. We have price testing this opening and closing price high of 11,076, and we'll see if we can get further movement above that into tonight's European session. This is the short-term low that's starting to show some support, which is 10,944, and similar with the US30, we have this trend break here, and price above that trend break starting to put in, find a new higher low. So the Williams as well is moving back into a overbought sort of area, which doesn't always mean it's overbought or negative. It can also suggest that there's going to be further buying, as we can see on this here. We saw once it moved back above, we had that extension higher. So that on its own isn't enough to really qualify for a buy. We want to see a combination of the two, between that being realized on the Williams %R and price backing up that reading as well. So that's we're going to continue watching that as we go into the European session, and we'll just see if buyers do maintain and if we don't see a pullback and a break of that low. So while that low holds on the US30 and the German 30, we're looking for a possibility of further buying to continue. So that's it for now. We enjoy the rest of your trading day. The European session is a couple hours away now, and until tomorrow, good trading and bye for now.